Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogtober. I'm still holding strong here. I don't have a lot going on today because I worked all day. I was on my computer a lot of the day. So I have a couple things I can share with you. So on Friday, it's my birthday and I am going to do a little bit of like a celebration on my Instagram. I have made some little, haven't made them yet. I'm going to make them little cute Halloween, like little like baskets full of a bunch of stuff, and then I'm gonna hide them around town, and I think it'll be so fun. But I have been having a hard time finding just a regular pail, like a pumpkin, you know, like the iconic pumpkin pail that kids use to put their candy in. I'm looking for a couple of those and I cannot find any. So I went to the dollar store today. I went to Hobby Lobby today to look for some ribbon for said project. And of course the ribbon is not on sale this week. And I wanted to buy a lot, so I didn't. I just bought a little bit. But I want to show you these really cute, oh, the lighting is terrible. Let me turn on the light. Let me just show you this way. All right, which way to the party, and it's got a little scalloped edge. I thought that was so cute. And then over here, I kind of have what I'm thinking of putting in said baskets. These are good. This is like a little apron. I have these measuring cups, some cute Halloween washcloths, red aspen nails. I did do my nails yesterday. I did like the blue color focus for this week because it's blue and white are our colors for football. And then I got these. I was going to do 2 of them, but the more I've thought about it, I think I'm just gonna do 1 and make it extra special. And I'm looking for a couple of these and they're so hard to find. I can only find 1. So I don't know. I don't know what we're gonna do. But hopefully we can figure this out. Okay, another thing I need to address. Yesterday I looked like crap. Today I look like I put my finger in a light socket because my hair is so ugly. I'm having a hair crisis right now and I just don't know what to do. So please ignore that and don't comment on it because I know it's terrible. And you know, when you have a bad hair day, you have a really bad day. And that's what I'm like at. So I had my new extensions put in. I don't think she used real or new hair. I think she used somebody's old hair that's really old because all it does is do this. It doesn't even ever look pretty. It's just, anyway, so ugly. I'm not gonna complain. But remember in my vlog yesterday, I showed you those dead looking plants. Let me show you what they look like today. Look at her. Look at her. All better. I mean, she perked right up. Put her in a little bit of sun, gave her some water, and she's good as new. The other one was fine. It didn't even look sad. But I kind of wanted to start filling out in the middle. But anyway, you are not a good plant mom like me. Get yourself some pothos. I don't even know where, like, I love greenery, but like in the fall, I don't want this out. I want that. So this is why this girl lives in my office. That is what the kids do. Okay, I want to show you this house, what it's kind of looking like. It's not finished, but you can see how pretty it is. Let me brighten it up a little bit. It's the lightest of gray, and I love it with the black windows. We are gonna put some shutters on, but it's coming together. He got all the sides done. You can see right there where the bottom is white and the other is gray. There's definitely a difference. And then up here we need to do touch-ups and stuff, but so exciting. I'm just so excited. But we have to get a front door on here because this door is making everything look so terrible. So terrible. Sorry, the kids are in the background playing, but won't this look pretty with a wood door? I'm trying to decide if I should do a wood door or if I should do a white door. But it has glass in it, a lot of it. So we're still debating on that. Still can't decide. But this is the new window, if I didn't show it to you. It used to only be like half that size and over more, but then we kind of flip-flopped. So there was a picture window right there, a picture window, so it was a big window, and then there was like a half of this size above the sink over here, but now the sink is over there, and we needed this space right here to put the pantry. So I don't know. I'm still wondering what I should, like, I don't know. I feel like this is just like a dead spot right there. We're not going to do the deck or the porch over here just because it's only like, if you can see, like it's not fully enclosed, and I feel like it will look silly if we do that. So we're gonna start with just from here, Harry Potter cape. We're already ready for Halloween over here, all the way to the end. Just a front porch, and I think that will be really pretty. It'll be wood with white pillars. We're gonna build them thicker. So anyway, I just thought I'd give you a little bit of an update here, and I'm gonna give you an update in the back too, because that back there is crazy. Hey, so do you remember that wall was like brown? So it's all gray now. And there's a good like what it actually looks like. It's so pretty. Like I said, I was going back and forth between white and gray, and I'm really glad I stuck with the gray. But we also got some new lights. I want to show those to you. This is what the lights for outside look like. So these will go on either side of the front door. There's 2 lights, and then I need to still find a light for above the garage, and then I'm not sure if I've told you guys yet, but eventually this sliding glass door is going to come out, and it's going to become like a barn door situation, because out this door, maybe I've told you guys this, I can't remember, but this is going to be turned into like a mud room, because this is our only access to the garage right here, because we closed in the door right behind where the fridge is, so that we could put our fridge there. So this will be closed in, so I'm not going to replace these lights. I may get one for that one over there, but this one I'll probably do more of like a sconce for like inside instead of an outdoor light. But anyway, this will be probably next year's project. But back to the lights, I actually got these to be an oversized look, just to add more character to the front of the house. It's kind of bland. So I'm thinking with these bigger lights, the pretty door, some shutters, and then the porch, I think it will look so stinking cute. So anyway, if you guys have any suggestions on anything, I'm always open to them. But I just thought I'd show you guys the process this month, because this is like the best month to do Vlogtober, because we're just doing all the finishing touches on everything. So you'll get to see this come together, hopefully. We do have a few little things around the house, like around the kitchen, that we still need to do. We need to put the toe kicks on. Some of you guys were wondering why we didn't have a cabinet door right there, and it's because it accidentally got painted the wrong color. So it's just getting painted white. We needed to paint this. We need to paint the end thing going right here. and the toe kicks all needed to get painted. So eventually that will come. And then our countertop needs to be finished. So I can't remember if I told you guys, but this was a $125 find off of Facebook Marketplace. And it just actually just fit perfect. The top is beautiful, nothing wrong with it. We just need it to be polished, and then this side, because this side was against the wall in the house, and so we need to just smooth it off, like make it uniform and finish it. So that needs to be done. What else in here? I feel like, and then all the lighting. The pendants need to go in. You can see up here, we need to finish with the texturing of the ceiling. So we need 2 lights here, which I already have. Don't have a light for here. Well, I do, but I actually think I'm gonna put it in here. I'm not sure yet. The lighting has been so difficult. I had the most beautiful light to go above the table, but it was just too big and our ceilings aren't high enough. So I had to take it back. I thought I could use it in here, but then my husband made a good point that if it's hanging down, I'm toying with the idea of putting a TV here. I don't want to, but I want to be able to hang out in here with my kids, and they're not going to want to do anything unless there's a TV in here, when they can go downstairs and sit in and watch TV. But I don't like the way it looks, so I'm trying to just weigh my options about investing in a frame TV or just doing like the frame TV hack. Have you seen that? You can make it look like a frame TV without spending the thousands of dollars that a frame TV is. I can't believe those things are so much money. They've been out for so long, you'd think that they would go down in price, but it feels like they're not going down in price anytime soon. So anyway, with the light hanging down, we wouldn't been able to see the TV. So that, and then we need to finish the brick over around the fireplace. I don't know when that's gonna come, hopefully soon. I don't know, I'm kind of feeling weird about the brick guy lately. And then we need a kitchen table. So, and we need to finish that. And we need to put a door on there. And we need to finish all the doors in the hallway and get new lights for that. So many things, but it's just starting to feel like it warm and cozy. And I'm really excited about that. Okay, we just got home from the game, and I want to show you, I just picked these up for my little treat things that I showed you earlier. Look how cute these are. I'll link them below if you want to check them out, but they're just like these pendants, and you put them on a little stick, and they're so cute. I just got a bunch of them. I didn't know which one I liked the best, but they're just a printable off Etsy, and then I had Staples print them. But look how these little cute, these little tiny ones are. If you, like so cute for like a little Halloween treat or a little gift, maybe for a teacher or something. I don't know, but I just thought I would share them with you. So cute.